Hey, it's time for our Trusted Advisor segment. You know, there are certain home projects the weekend warriors can take on themselves, right? Plumbing probably shouldn't be one of them. From installation to emergency services, Kellermeier Plumbing, they've got you covered. They've been serving the West Michigan community for over 2 decades. And we've got co-owner Ken Cronkrite, excuse me, did I say it right? Cronkrite?
You sure did, yeah.
Yes, with us this morning to talk about the services they offer. Hey, Ken, how are you?
Great, how are you guys?
I'm well, thanks for being here, and thanks for telling us more about your business. We were just talking before the segment, 27 years.
27 years, yep. So we've been servicing West Michigan for 27 years. We are truly a one-stop shop for all your plumbing needs. So anything from drain cleaning to your everyday repairs, water heaters, fixtures, things of that nature.
Yeah, a lot of people when they're in a home, it's hard to tell the difference between something that, man, maybe they can get a pipe wrench and try and fix, or something they should call a pro for.
Right.
I'm sure you get those types of calls.
Yeah, and we come in behind the homeowner that has attempted that, right?
Right.
So when you're messing with drain, water, waste, it's usually a good idea to call somebody that's experienced and knows what's going on, right? You can do a lot of damage within your home by attempting, repairs like that, and, neglecting, the plumbing system that is failing, right? So yeah, definitely keep it on your mind. Look for it, just a visual inspection of the exposed plumbing in your home goes a long way. So look at your water supply lines to your appliances, your fixtures. Take a visual overall look of your drain lines, stuff that you can see. If you see staining, buildup, corrosion, anything that looks like that, it's probably a sign that something's going on, and we should probably get in there and take care of it.
You're talking a lot right now kind of about preventative stuff.
Right.
But I'm assuming most calls that you get are the emergent kind.
Absolutely.
Right, are the kinds of where, oh my, I've got water in my basement because something busted or something like that.
Yep, absolutely. And obviously it causes a lot of damage. So sewer backups is a big one, right? There's a lot of older plumbing systems out there that have root intrusion. And when that goes, unnoticed or neglected, then you're going to come down to your basement and you're going to have sewage all over the place, right? Yeah. So we come in, obviously get the line open, and then from there we have cameras, things of that nature that we can get into a visual inspection and point you in the right direction for the repair.
We're talking a lot about residential right now. Do you do any commercial work? Or
We
are you
do,
strictly?
absolutely. We do commercial work as well. So we also do new construction home, addition, remodel work. So truly one-stop shop.
Oh,
and
wow.
Take care of it.
So this isn't just, hey, my plumbing, my drain's backed up bad, I need to call a plumber.
No.
This is, hey, I'm adding on, or I'm remodeling this bathroom, and maybe we need to run a new line somewhere.
100%.
You do all of that work.
We do, and we partner up with trusted and experienced subcontractors for the overall package, right? So yeah, we can definitely take care of it.
What's the turnaround time? Let's say I give you a call today, and I want you to come out and take a look at some of these pipes. Maybe I see there might be a problem.
Yeah, so typically same week. Absolutely. If it's emergency, we'll get there same day. But yeah, same week. We provide free estimates as long as the homeowner is willing to schedule with us. That makes sense, right?
Sure.
So yeah, absolutely, same week service.
And if someone doesn't know specifically what they should be looking for, maybe because we're not in that biz, so we may not realize that could be a problem. Can you guys come out and do like a safety check or anything like that?
100%. Yep. Free home inspection. Typically, when our technicians are on site for another service, they will walk around. If they see something that's kind of jumping out at them, they'll have a conversation with the homeowner. We're here to educate while we're there, and really just make sure that your service needs are fulfilled and you understand what you have and the potential concerns of failure, right? So.
And one of the main things we want to stress, of course, you're a local company. This is a Michigan-based company, right?
Sure, yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Rockford, Michigan.
Rockford, Michigan. So if you want to support local and you're looking for that, don't forget about the water quality too. I mean, they can check in on that. Your fixture and appliance can fail just due to your water quality. All of these can be avoided. Don't wait till the emergency happens and you need that same day service. Give Kellermeier Plumbing a call, 616-866-5134. Or if you want more information, go to kellermeierplumbing.com, right there on your screen. We'll be right back.